Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's video presentation of the Wicket Celebration Piece Hall of Fame, Session 2.
In this session, we are going to revisit what we learnt in Session 1, learn how to sing the champion section, learn how to play the ending, and then perform the whole piece. So let's get started, let's get ready to sing and play.
Here is the ukulele part that we learnt last week. Have another listen. The ending is the same but with an extra bar at the end of the piece. Here is Mr. Lockington demonstrating this new part.
Before we get to the end of the piece, we have one more singing section to learn. It's time for our performance now. You will hear an introduction of 4 bars of music. You will hear the same piece of music each time before we play or sing throughout the piece. We play our little 2-bar phrase 4 times on our instruments. Then we will sing the verse and the chorus. Then we will sing the champions section. Then we will play our little 2-bar phrase again 4 times, followed by our 4-note ending to finish the piece. Are you ready? Let's play and sing.
done everyone. You've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket pieces coming your way soon.